Good day, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Albert M. Molina, a Doctor of Philosophy in Development Education student at Central Luzon State University, and I will be presenting my thesis on the use of Codeby Author in Teaching Science 6. As technology advances, it is crucial to integrate digital tools in education to enhance learning experiences. This study aims to explore the effectiveness of using Codeby Author, an ebook creation software in teaching science to 6th graders. It is significant on understanding its impact on student engagement and comprehension can inform future educational practices. Technology improves accessibility because technology provides access for a wealth of resources, including ebooks, online courses, and educational videos, which can be accessed anytime, anywhere. Also, it allows for differentiated instruction where educators can provide personalized learning experiences based on individual student needs and progress. It enhances engagement through interactive learning. Technology enables the use of interactive tools like simulations, games, and multimedia presentations that make learning more engaging and enjoyable for the learners. As an addition, like varied learning modalities, where digital resources cater to different learning styles, helping to maintain students' interest and motivation. The significance of using technology in teaching is multifaceted and has a profound impact on educational outcomes, engagement, and accessibility.